Welcome back to our fun number adventure. Last time, we learned numbers from 1 to 10. Do you remember them? Let's say them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now, are you ready to learn bigger numbers? Today, we are learning numbers from 10 to 20. Let's start with 10. Say it with me. 10. After 10 comes 11. Say it loud. Next is 12, like a dozen yummy donuts. Can you guess what comes after 12? Yes, it's 13. Now, let's count all the way to 20. Ready? Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's play a game. I will show a number, and you say it out loud. What is this number? It is 11. Can you guess this number? It is 15. What about this one? 20. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Now you know numbers 10 to 20. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a numbers expert. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.